Hi, it's me, Reverend Antoinette Tony Tate, aka the Queen of Positive Thinking. I'm here today to talk to you about the power of your imagination. Growing up, you may remember playing, doing things such as playing house, cops and robbers, just doing things being a police officer, playing as a teacher. When you were young, your imagination was wild and free to roam. As you got older, life may have gotten in the way. But imagination is a gift from God. In your imagination, there's no time. It's timeless, it's limitless, and it's formless. I want you to begin to use your imagination to create all that you desire. I utilize the imagination with guided imagery and kingdom principles. In this exercise, I want you to close your eyes and imagine that you are a king or a queen, because you are royal. You are a king and a queen, and your domain is in your mind. And what you rule over are your thoughts. Your citizens are your thoughts. So I want you to close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths. Breathe in deeply all the positive energy that you can. Exhale all the negative energy. Breathe in all the positive energy. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale all the negative energy. We're going to do it one more time. Breathe in. Suck in as much positive energy as you can. Exhale all the negative energy. I want you to imagine being in your kingdom. And on today, you're just going to take a lovely stroll. As you stroll, listen to your citizens, which are your thoughts. Oh, they're saying things such as, you're worthy, you're loved, you're beautiful. And as you stroll through your kingdom, you hear over and over again your citizens, which are your thoughts, saying, you're beautiful, you're loved, you're worthy of success, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you were created in God's image, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy, you're worthy. And just imagine strolling along your kingdom and hearing the thoughts of your citizens. And they're saying, you're loved, you're loved, you're loved, you're loved, you're beautiful, you're healthy, you're worthy. Just imagine. Now open your eyes.